Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving the top floor of my dollhouse a Christmas makeover. So to start, I'm just removing all of the old furniture out of the bedroom. And for a long time now, I have been wanting to really get rid of these red walls. I mean, they're cute for a certain moment, but it's definitely not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to be painting the walls white. For the paint, I'm using a white chalk paint. Chalk paint tends to cover a lot more easily than just like regular paint, so that's why I went this option, especially because the walls on the dollhouse are a little like slick to the touch. So I wanted to make sure that whatever paint I use had a little grit to it. And this process was actually so fun and therapeutic. I actually ended up doing the whole inside of my dollhouse this white color just to give it a nice base. I had been wanting to do this for literally over a year now, so I'm so glad I finally got to it. And I ended up going in with about 2 to 3 coats of the chalk paint, and this is how it turned out. So now it's time to put the furniture back in the room. I'm also adding in my Christmas decor, so I'm going for a pink style Christmas for this bedroom. As you can see, I have a cute little pink Christmas tree, some little tiny gifts, and look at this cute little baby pink deer. I thought it was so darling. And then for the bed area, I actually have this cute circle mirror that I thought would look so good on top of the bed. And for the walls, I have these adorable framed photos that say Merry Christmas. So I just put those in between the 2 windows in the room. And if you guys are wondering how I stick things on the wall, I just started using this Faber-Castell Tack It. It's like a sticky putty for hanging things. I highly recommend this because it won't rip off the paint, unlike what I used to use. And it's not sponsored. I genuinely just use it for everything. Like, it's on this reef here that I'm attaching to the mirror, and it literally holds up perfect. It looks so cute. Now for the bedding, I did want white sheets, so I'm actually using this microfiber towel that's meant for like cleaning a car. But honestly, you guys, it looks perfect for a dollhouse bedding. You guys know I like to be creative, work smarter, not harder. And look how cute and plush this looks. I'm telling you guys, you can use absolutely anything for dollhouse bedding. And I also wanted like a throw blanket moment, so I'm using a swimsuit top actually, because it was the perfect pink color. So I just slipped this under the bed, and I'm not going to cut it or anything because this is just in-season decor, so it doesn't need to be permanent. So I just slip that under and hide all the little straps. And look how legit it looks, you guys. It is so freaking cute. I also added this super cute little gold snowman in my Christmas tree area. Now Now for the pillows, I just covered the pillows that I originally had, and this is actually scrap pieces from an old bonnet that I had. So it looks a little botched now, but the vision is those little scrap pieces of silk will just look like they are sheets underneath the bedding. So that's why I left those scrap pieces there. Again, you guys know I like to work smarter, not harder, and it was free, so that's a bonus. And then I also made this cute little throw pillow that I'm adding in. And then I'm adding in this super cute little, I don't know what you call this, a little pom-pom, whatever you call it, I don't know, but it's so cute. And I feel like it really just ties in the look. Now for the windows, I actually printed out this city view and I added in some snow on it as well because I wanted the window panes to actually like have a city view. So I thought this would be so darling. And look how amazing it looks, you guys. I feel like the window additions really just add so much to the look. And for some final touches, I'm adding some fairy lights to the little pink Christmas tree. And I always get the battery powered lights just because there's no outlets that are close enough for the dollhouse, so battery powered seems to work the best for me. Alright, so we are moving on to the patio. This dollhouse has a patio on the first floor connected to the bedroom, but I really wanted to change the wallpaper to just kind of go with the flow more of the festive look. I decided on this brick, like peel and stick vinyl that I had. So I just went ahead and smoothed it on down, and honestly I'm hoping that if I want to take this off that it'll come off nice and easy. I'm not sure yet, but I will update you guys and let you know. And now that the wall is nice and done, we're gonna add our little fixings. I've got this cute ski loft thing that I used last year as well. And then I have this super cute little ornaments actually, but they make perfect little decor. And then I'm also adding in some green, I forget what this is called, but this. And then I added tape along the border because I wanted to do a cute little Christmas garland. So then I just go ahead and press the garland into the tape. And when it comes to using tape for this, I definitely recommend using quite a bit of tape because it does like to lift up. I'm still looking for a method that is a little bit more easier to use than tape. But since this is like a clear balcony, I really couldn't use anything that had color to it or else it would show. So tape for the win for now. Now I'm adding in my furniture. Some cute little potted plants. And some cute little Christmas food decoratives. And now it's time for the Christmas reveal. So this was the before, and here is the after. And that is all for today, you guys. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much if you made it this far. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun making this video for you all. We have so much more amazing content coming in the new year. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas holiday. And from Lilee and her new beau, we'd all love to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Bye for now.